A front door says welcome. It can be an attractive feature of a home and an energy saver. We're here with door expert Terry Bobiak, president of QSI Windows, Doors and Sunrooms, to unlock the basics of quality doors and their benefits. This is Daily Web TV. What's the first thing you see when you pull up to your home? It's your front door. To help us make an impression with that is Terry from QSI. Terry, what are some of the reasons why I would want to change my front door?
Mainly because of the draft. It could require maintenance. It could not open and close. It's binding. So there's a multitude of reasons, as well as the look. The look's important.
Okay.
We find out what you have there to begin with, existing, so that we can assess the proper type of system and frame to put in there.
Okay.
And you want to get into the heavy components. There's not much you can do with a frame to make it different, but we do accomplish that.
What about side panels? Would I be replacing my side panel along with the door?
Yeah, it depends. If you have an existing door with a side light or a door with two side lights, we change the whole system. We don't just change the door, you change the whole system. And that gives you a chance to change the glass as well.
Is there a selection of doors, like is it just a standard steel door with the insert, or are there different types?
There's different types. It's been mostly steel doors with 24 colors to choose from, painted any finish.
24
really.
colors?
Yeah,
I get to pick out of 24
yes.
colors.
Too many colors.
Too many colors.
Yeah. But there are, the fiberglass doors starting to become popular today because people want to have that traditional wood look again. So we have steel doors, insulated doors. Now we have fiberglass doors, which have the wood grain look to them, and they're stained in oak, cherry, mahogany. The hardware is important as well with these systems. Because we're getting into heavy quality systems, fiberglass and the glass lights are very heavy as well. We have to get into heavy components, which we were talking about before, and that's where it really gets important to have heavy duty hinges. We have ball bearing hinges, which help these products slide very smoothly. Our weather stripping is important. We put gaskets, in all the corners, so it's a very efficient system overall.
So I have the door, which is the main part of obviously the frame and the framing, but the hardware too is important to make sure that it's good quality?
Yeah, on your front door, people usually get into a grip set for curb appeal. It's a little fancier. You have deadbolts, and we also have what's becoming very popular now is the multi-point lock. So it's a lock that locks in about 3 or 4 places all at once. So security is a big factor, and hardware is starting to really focus on with the multi-point locks on security.
You said 3-point lock. What 3 points? Is it 3 points to the door that it's locking?
It's a multi-point lock that's in the door panel itself, and it locks in 3 positions into the door frame when you lock the handle, as opposed to just the standard deadbolt that throws into the frame.
I don't have one on the top, one in the middle, and then my actual
it's
hardware.
Just the one lever, you turn it, but it locks in 3 or 4 places all at once.
Is it a selection of doors that's manufactured by somebody, or do you have your own line?
We have our door made for us to our specifications. So we're always looking for the best hardware, the best insulation, the best weather stripping. Glass light frames are critical because there's quite a few different qualities in the glass light or the door light. Light is the glass itself. The frame around the glass, which is vinyl, there's different qualities of that as well. So we have our doors made with all the highest quality components for our own brand.
Will someone come to my home and show me the different models that you have?
Yes, we'll send a QSI sales rep to your house and then assess the needs, the installation, and we can show you everything there as well. And if you want to see the performance of the product, you come back to the showroom. We have them on display at QSI Windows in Hamilton and Burlington, 2 showrooms.
So if someone's interested in replacing their front door, they can stop by the showroom and take a peek?
Come into the showroom. We have full-scale models on display, so you can operate them, open them, and see all the different glass styles too.
Well, thank you very much, Terry.
You're welcome, Tracy.
For more information on creating a first impression with your front door, go to either one of the 2 showrooms. I'm Tracy Bizot, and you've been watching Daily Web TV.